Hello people, welcome to Shifting Gears, and finally with me I have the 2021 Mahindra XUV 700. ये महिंद्रा की ऑल न्यू XUV है here for the Indian market और इस गाड़ी की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹11.99 lakhs एक्स शोरूम. दिस इज अ फैंटास्टिक प्राइस टैग. ये एक काफी एग्रेसिव प्राइस टैग है और इसके वजह से ये XUV 700 अभी कॉम्पैक्ट SUVs के साथ भी कॉम्पीट कर पाएगी. It will also compete with cars such as the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, the mid-sized SUVs, and of course it also competes with the likes of the Tata Safari, the MG Hector and other such products in this particular price range. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about the exterior design highlights of this new XUV 700. इस गाड़ी के लिए हमने अलग से इंटीरियर वीडियो अपलोड किया है. We have a separate video for the drive experience. We have a separate video for what you will feel in the second row if you are buying this car for your chauffeur driven requirements. तो हमने काफी सारे कंटेंट पीसेस अपलोड किए हैं ताकि आपको इस गाड़ी के बारे में सभी जानकारी मिल सके and so that you can make an informed buying decision. The first thing that you have to make note of is that this XUV 700 is eventually going to replace the XUV 500. XUV 500 लगभग 10 साल पहले भारत देश में लॉन्च हुई थी and a decade later this car is coming back again with a strong bang and definitely it is going to turn heads. काफी लोग जो हैं जो इस गाड़ी को कंसिडर भी नहीं कर रहे थे, they will start thinking about it all thanks to the price tag. ये जो XUV 700 है, Mahindra is going to sell this car as a 5-seater and as a 7-seater. And when you look at the side profile of this car, एक चीज जो मुझे पसंद आई, कुछ लोगों को पसंद शायद नहीं आ सकती है, वो ये है that the design DNA still looks evolutionary compared to the XUV 500. आप इस डिजाइन प्रोफाइल को XUV से काफी आसानी से एसोसिएट कर पाओगे. That is not a bad thing at all. Some people thought that it looks more of a refreshed XUV 500, but that is not at all a bad thing because if someone wants to upgrade from an old XUV 500, this XUV 700 has enough of changes, but it still stays true to the XUV design DNA. Now, when you look at the car from the front end, काफी बदलाव किए गए हैं, but it still has that typical butch SUV appearance. The biggest highlight on the front end is the new Mahindra logo, जो नया Twin Peaks logo आपको इस गाड़ी के साथ मिलने वाला है. Check it out. It has been very nicely positioned. It is not too big, it is not too small. It looks ideal and it mingles well with this grille design. और इस ग्रिल सेक्शन पे आप देख सकते हो आपको सैटिन क्रोम फिनिश मिल रही है and you have a lot of gloss black applique as well. There is not an overdose of chrome, so that is something that I really appreciate and thank you Mahindra for not giving too much of bling at the front end of this car's design. आप इस गाड़ी का C-shaped headlamp section देख लीजिए. You are getting a C-shaped LED DRL. आपको sequential turn indicators मिलने वाले हैं with this XUV 700 and this car is going to offer you full LED headlamps. So that is also something that you have to keep in mind. आप देख सकते हो टर्न इंडिकेटर जो हैं किस तरीके से इल्यूमिनेट होने वाले हैं and they look really nice when you look at the car at night. And the headlamps by default are also going to do a good job of illuminating the road when you're driving this car at night. Not that we have driven it for a really long time at night, but we saw the car last night when it was unveiled and the road illumination looked decent. Headlamp cluster में थोड़े और details हैं जो आपने notice करने चाहिए. You have this black applique inside the headlamp as well. You have this matte satin chrome finish in the headlamp as well. तो इसके वजह से ये headlamp जो है काफी प्रीमियम नजर आता है. It looks nice and stylish as well. Below the headlamp you will notice आपको ये जो fog lamp दिया गया है, this also makes use of LEDs. You get this black plastic housing around this fog lamp, but this finishing over here for this fog lamp cutout could have been a little better, but this might be nitpicking for some people. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए आपको एक air curtain दिया गया है for aero efficiency. This is going to help in your vehicle's aerodynamics. इसके बाद बम्पर पे lower down आपको ये dark grey finish में skid plate effect मिल रही है. You also have this gloss black applique which runs across the width of the bumper. तो ये भी आपको पसंद आएगा. It will look much more noticeable on other shades than this blue color which we have today. And this particular black patch over here, this is housing all the sensors for your ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. उसके लिए भी हम एक अलग वीडियो अपलोड करने वाले हैं. Do check it out. You will get to know everything on Shifting Gears about this XUV 700. When you look at it from any angle, आपको ऐसा कभी भी नहीं लगेगा कि ये एक पोजर गाड़ी है, that this is not an authentic SUV. And to maintain that authentic SUV DNA, you are getting all-wheel drive as an option as well with this XUV 700. बॉनेट पे आप देख लीजिए, आपको काफी कट्स और क्रीज लाइंस मिल रहे हैं, and it does look like it packs a lot of punch under that hood as well. ये एक blue shade है, this is not black, and the metallic effect is quite nice as well. It is quite pleasing to the eyes. Now talking about the side profile, सबसे पहले आप देख लीजिए, आपको काफी बॉडी क्लैडिंग मिल रही है इस गाड़ी के साथ, because this is an SUV, so you have body cladding all around as a skirting section for this car. So it is on the wheel arches, it is on the wheelbase section, and it is also on both the front and rear bumpers. Then look at these alloy wheels of this XUV 700. This car is going to be offered with 18-inch dual tone alloy wheels. You can notice आपको यहाँ पे भी महिंद्रा का नया लोगो नजर आएगा. Looks quite nice over here on the wheel section as well. और ये जो 18 इंच का व्हील सेटअप आपको मिल रहा है, it fills up the wheel well area quite nicely. तो आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि गाड़ी के ओवरऑल प्रोपोर्शंस के हिसाब से ये व्हील्स छोटे हैं. They do a decent job of adding that visual appearance, that stylish treatment to the overall side profile of the car. Then you will notice that on the window belt line आपको chrome accents दिए गए हैं. The most iconic design element of the XUV was this kink over here with this flared wheel arch, and how it just raises upwards towards the rear quarter glass. This looks very reminiscent of the XUV 500, and this maintains that design DNA for the XUV brand. तो ये भी चीज जो है आपको पसंद आएगी. It just shows that Mahindra is putting in a lot of effort in ensuring that their XUV line resembles in the design details. Then you will notice that this car gets the new door handles. तो यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, you have to come up close and then you have to press it, and then this handle pops out this way. इसके बाद आप इस डोर को ऐसे पुल करके ओपन कर सकते हो. This is how it will sit. It will sit flush. So because of this, it looks nice, and it is also going to help that little bit extra in the overall aerodynamics department. Let me open the door and show it to you. जब भी आप गाड़ी अनलॉक करते हो, डोर हैंडल जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली पॉप आउट नहीं होता है when you unlock the car. You have to press this and then you can open the door, and it has been put together quite nicely. ये flimsy आपको feel नहीं होगा, and as soon as you release it, it sits flush with the door, and you don't necessarily have to push it back after you get inside. So you don't have to worry about that. It will be taken care of. So that is something that I want to highlight, because some people might think about it, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को जिन्होंने इस तरीके के डोर हैंडल्स कभी हैंडल नहीं किए हैं, maybe they might be worried about how long they will last, or they might not. So I'm telling you that you don't have to worry about it. लेकिन अगर आप इस गाड़ी का ऑप्शनल पैक खरीद लेते हो तो इस स्मार्ट डोर हैंडल के साथ आपको इलेक्ट्रिक डिप्लॉयमेंट मिल जाएगी. सो वंस यू लॉक एंड अनलॉक द कार, द हैंडल्स विल ओपन एंड क्लोज बाय देमसेल्व्स. नीचे आप देख लीजिए जो आपको प्लास्टिक क्लैडिंग मिल रही है. इट इज नॉट टू मच, बट इट इज स्टिल प्रोटेक्टिंग द प्राइमरी बिट्स. तो डोर पे भी आपको यहाँ पे ये प्लास्टिक क्लैडिंग नजर आएगी. चेक इट आउट. लेट मी ओपन द डोर एंड शो इट टू यू. So this is going to protect your doors paint. जब आप ये गाड़ी ऑफ रोड सिचुएशंस में चला लेते हो, the paint is not going to chip. And lower down wheel base section में भी आपको ये प्लास्टिक क्लैडिंग मिल जाती है. So you don't have to think about the side of the car, the lower end of the car getting dirty or getting the paint chipped when you are driving it really hard on gravelly roads or roads where there are a lot of pebbles. So that is also well taken care of with this XUV 700. Then look at the B pillar. B pillar पे आपको यहाँ पे gloss black finish मिल रही है. The C pillar also gets gloss black, and the D pillar is also gloss black. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको कोई भी ड्यूअल टोन पेंट ऑप्शन अभी तो नहीं मिल रहा है. At least what we've seen so far, we have not noticed any dual tone finish. But the A pillar is not blacked out, so that is also something that you have to keep in mind. तो आपको floating roof effect जरूर मिलेगा, because the B, C and D pillars are blacked out, but the roof is not blacked out. आपको यहाँ पे satin chrome finish के साथ roof rails दिए गए हैं, and they also add to the overall visual appearance in terms of enhancing the height of this XUV 700. So you will like it, and also I'm sure you can notice that this car is getting a massive panoramic sunroof. So this is going to add a lot of drama जब आप इस गाड़ी को रात को चलाने वाले हो. One more time, just look at the side profile. ज्यादा ओवरडन कट्स और क्रीज लाइंस नहीं हैं. This particular highlight is the most striking element, how it raises over here around the waistline of this car over the rear wheel arch, and then you can notice it is just very subtly done. It is more curvaceous than a lot more angular compared to other cars in the competition price range. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको पीछे के व्हील के लिए भी डिस्क ब्रेक्स मिल रहे हैं. So you are getting all 4 disc brakes with this XUV700. So your safety is well taken care of. And now let's move to the rear end design of this car. सबसे पहले इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको Arrowhead LED tail lamps दिए गए हैं. They look quite nice. कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये tail lamp unit जो है काफी ज्यादा बड़े नजर आएंगे looking at the spy shots, but they fit with the car's overall design quite nicely. One more highlight which you should notice is that look at this chrome strip over here which runs across the window belt line, across the window sill, how it mingles with this tail lamp cluster. And then look at the tailgate. Tailgate पे आपको यहाँ पे एक प्लास्टिक एप्लिक दिया गया है. You have the new Mahindra logo. Check it out किस तरीके से इसे यहाँ पे हाउस किया गया है, just so that it stands out. You have the reverse camera positioned over here. And then on the tailgate, of course, you can notice the XUV700 branding. And you also have the variant branding. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, we have the AX7T variant. Overall, जब आप इस गाड़ी को पीछे से देख लेते हो, the rear end is a lot more angular than the front or the side profile. So this is a little different. आपको इस गाड़ी के साथ एक roof mounted spoiler दिया गया है. यहाँ पे आपको स्पॉइलर को हाउस करने के लिए भी ये ब्लैक एप्लिक मिल रही है. This is also going to help in the overall aero efficiency. Then lower down on the bumper you can notice आपको रिफ्लेक्टर्स दिए गए हैं. यहाँ पे भी आपको डिजाइन डिटेल्स देखने मिलेंगे. So Mahindra has put in a lot of effort in making sure that this car looks nice and stylish and modern. पीछे के बम्पर पे भी आपको काफी ज्यादा बॉडी क्लैडिंग मिल जाती है. You have this dark silver finish skid plate. You have reverse sensors very neatly integrated. And then when you try to look under the bumper, you will notice that you have that tailpipe, but it doesn't get any chrome finish. So the exhaust end can is not finished in chrome. But I am happy with this because at least Mahindra is not offering a fake exhaust end can on the bumper. This is much better to look at least in my opinion. After that, up top, you will notice इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको एक shark fin antenna भी दिया गया है. This is the XUV700 AX7T variant. And there are 3 more cameras which I want to show you. आपको यहाँ पे विंग मिरर्स के नीचे एक कैमरा मिल रहा है. So 2 cameras under the rear view mirrors on either side. And then under the front logo, you have one more camera because this car is offering you 360-degree camera support. इसके वजह से आप इस गाड़ी को पार्किंग सिचुएशंस में काफी आसानी से मूव कर पाओगे और आपको इस गाड़ी की ओवरऑल जो विड्थ है, जो डायमेंशंस हैं इस गाड़ी के, उसे समझने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी. Coming to the left hand side of the car, on the front fender, you can notice you have a branding applique over here. So check it out. It says driven by Adrenox because this is the AX line. अगर आप MX line खरीदते हो इस गाड़ी की, उसमें आपको ये बैज नहीं नजर आएगा. So that is also a way of highlighting that this is one of the higher priced variants of the XUV700. अगर आप XUV700 का डीजल वेरिएंट खरीदने वाले हो, once you open up this fuel filler cap, you will notice you have this AdBlue diesel exhaust fluid. इसे आपको टॉप अप करना होगा. This is what helps the car meet those strict BS6 emission norms. और ये जो DEF आप टॉप अप करते हो, you will get that indicator on the speedometer cluster as well. So you will be notified if you are soon going to run out of that fluid. So you will have to top it up if you are planning to go out on a long drive. Now since this car is getting advanced driver assistance systems यानी कि ADAS, यहाँ पे आप windscreen पे भी देख लीजिए, you have an array of sensors over here as well, and couple that with that blackout section which you noticed on the front bumper. This car is coming up with a lot of features which were never seen in this particular segment, in this particular price range. So the XUV700 is definitely pushing the boundaries and making sure that this car is just going to drive over its competition and just attract a lot more buyers, a lot more eyeballs. तो ये हुई बात इस गाड़ी के डिजाइन के बारे में. It looks evolutionary compared to the XUV500, but it looks good and it is not overdone in my books. काफी लोगों को डिजाइन के बारे में काफी सवाल थे, सो आई हैव ट्राइड माय बेस्ट टू हाईलाइट ऑल देयर इज टू मेक नोट ऑफ बिफोर ब्रिंगिंग दिस कार होम। कंपेयर टू द XUV 500, क्या आपको ये गाड़ी पसंद आती है? आप हमें कमेंट्स में जरूर बताइएगा। कंपेयर टू कंपटीशन, डू यू थिंक दिस कार लुक्स बेटर? क्या आपको ये गाड़ी टाटा हैरियर या टाटा सफारी के मुकाबले ज्यादा पसंद आती है? Whatever is your opinion, let us know in the comments. अगर आपके और कोई सवाल हैं इस गाड़ी के बारे में, do ask me. I will try my best to help you out. And one more time, just look at this. I'm 5'8". This is a monocoque SUV. This is how tall it is. And check out the other videos which we have for you for this XUV 700. Goodbye guys. Always drive safe. Always wear your seat belts. Follow those speed limits. And don't make too many lane changes without using that turn indicator.